Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Hybrid and remote working have had a huge positive impact on businesses around the world. Most people working from home agree. The flexibility gives them more job satisfaction and leaves them feeling happier. So why are some employers insisting on bringing people back to the office? Maybe some managers find it hard to trust their people are working properly when they can't physically see them at their desk. That's led to a lot of companies looking for ways to monitor their team's work. If you don't do this right, it can feel very Big Brother, and no one likes to feel like they're always being watched. A little trust really does go a long way. Research shows a happy hybrid team will be more productive, more loyal, and more likely to deliver amazing results. We have some great ideas to help you understand your staff's productivity and at the same time build a hybrid workplace that works for everyone. There's no obligation to buy anything. So let's talk. That's your tech update. More next week.